Hi, my name is Kevin Strong. I am 44 and I'm from England, and I came to meet Dr. Jazz to talk about getting a hair transplant. My initial, problem started in my mid to late 30s, where I was starting to get what I would call receding hair, either side of my temple. And also, I had a balding spot coming at the top of my head. And I think it was more as I was getting older, it was getting noticeably worse as time went on. So we booked an appointment in to see Dr. Jazz, and it was, we came in, my wife and I, and we were sat down, and my head was looked at, bits of my head which needed perhaps work on, where the actual transplants would go. And the technique which Dr. Jazz uses. During the consultation, Dr. Jazz discussed how many grafts I'd actually need and where they would need to go, so that the outcome was a very natural look at the end of the procedure. The experience was actually really good. So I arrived early in the morning and I was shown into the room. And I was sat down, and you get to sit upright. I had all my hair shaved off, which I decided I wanted to have done. I was sat in front of a big TV with Netflix on, and Dr. Jazz then started to harvest all the grafts after I had a very small local anaesthetic. And that took me up to about lunchtime, where we stopped for lunch. After lunch, the grafts were then put back into the areas where I needed the hair transplants. I'm actually thrilled with it. I'll be honest with you, it's hands down, it's by far one of the best things I've done for myself. I had it done in June, and I went home back to England in December for Christmas, and I hadn't told anybody I had it done. And when I first walked in to see everybody, the looks of amazement on people's faces when they actually could see my hairline, and it does look very natural. So we're now 8 months on, and I'm thrilled. It makes me look so much younger, I'll be honest with you. I am 44, but I think it makes me look at least late 30s.